Today, I'll show you how easy it is to get started with AI Assist for your bricklaying business. First, navigate to Add-ons and select Get Started. Activate AI Assist and follow the simple instructions to get it trained and ready to take over. If your website URL is correct, click Next. AI Assist will automatically generate FAQs from your website. Once it's done, you can review and edit the FAQs, or add a new question and answer by clicking the Add FAQ button. Now it's time to test out AI Assist. You can view real-time responses by clicking on the questions. The next step is to modify your AI Assist persona. Change its name and role, and upload an avatar. Enable multilingual support to let AI Assist respond in different languages. And then select the plan that suits your needs and activate it. Next, let's use your website to ingest more data. Go to AI Settings, select Data Source, and then proceed to the Website tab. And enter your website URL. In this section, you can review and disable any irrelevant data by turning them off or deleting them individually. You can also make relevant edits immediately. Make sure to activate the recrawl feature to keep your information current and accurate at all times. Imagine using AI Assist's capabilities to deliver precise and real-time answers to your clients' queries using the data from your website. Are you still handling customer service yourself? Activate tawk.to's AI Assist today and let Apollo handle it for you 24/7.